Ready, all of you? Yeah. Till which question we have done?
Yes, sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31.
31.
We have
We
done.
have to start 32.
Start 32.
We have to start from 32. So last 4 questions left of the exercise.
Sir, I have done the homework.
Very good, beta. Let's
Yes,
see.
sir,
if we
me too.
can-
Done.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice.
So the answer is the first angle is 112 degree and the second angle is 68 degree.
Last 4 questions left. Let's see if we can complete the exercise today or not. Yeah. Question number 32. So we have done till 31 now, or we have to do the 31st one.
Sir, we
Sir,
have
we have
done
done.
32.
We have done.
If you have to start from
We
32.
have done.
Okay.
Yes, so 32 we have to start.
A man traveled 3 by 5 of his journey by rail, 1 by 4 by taxi, 1 by 8 by a bus, and the remaining 2 kilometers on foot. What is the length of his total journey? Okay. So let us assume that the length of the total journey is x. Yeah. I will explain what we have to do. Let us first
Kilometer.
let us assume that the length of the total journey is x. Let the length of total journey. I hope you all are not able to see me sweating right now because I have just finished my workout. Let the length of total journey be x. Okay. So the total journey is of x kilometers. Now 3 by 5 of his journey, of his total journey, 3 by 5 of the journey, 3 by 5 of the journey, that means 3 by 5 of x. Is it clear? 3 by 5 of total journey कैसे कंप्लीट करा उसने? बाय रेल, मतलब ट्रेन से. 3 by 5 of the journey he has completed with the help of a train. अच्छा, अब इसमें 1 by 4 of the journey he has completed by taxi. 1 by 4 of the journey he has completed by taxi. और क्या करा? 1 by 8 of the journey he has completed by bus. 1 by 8 again. 1 by 8 of the total journey he has completed by bus. And the remaining journey of 2 kilometers, जो बची हुई remaining journey है वो उसने कैसे complete करा? On foot, यानी कि walk कर. Okay. Now this.
Sir, why are you not applying x on 2?
Because this is
Because
not.
it is all given.
Listen. This is not twice of the journey. Twice of the journey नहीं बोल रहे हैं. Remaining 2 kilometers बोल रहे हैं बस. Remaining 2 kilometers बोल रहे हैं केवल. This is not twice of the journey. जब twice of बोला होता तो हम 2x लिखते. Got it? उत्कर्ष.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is only 2 kilometers. Remaining 2 kilometers. Okay. So if we add all these, जो उसने ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करा प्लस जो बस सॉरी टैक्सी से ट्रेवल करा, देन प्लस जो उसने बस से ट्रेवल करा, प्लस जो उसने वॉक करके कंप्लीट किया. If we add all these, this will give you the total journey. Am I right or not? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
ट्रेन से ट्रेवल करा,
Yes,
प्लस
sir.
टैक्सी से ट्रेवल करा, प्लस बस से ट्रेवल करा,
Yes, sir.
वॉक किया. तो ये if I add all these, you will get the total journey, which is x. हमने total journey कितना माना है? x. So
X.
have you all understood the equation?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now let us solve it. This equation has a lot of terms where you can see x is there, and there is only one constant term in the question, which is 2. So I will take all the terms which have x to the right hand side. 2 को मैंने LHS में छोड़ दिया, RHS में सब कुछ RHS में चला गया. x minus 3x upon 5 minus x upon 4. X upon 4. This is x upon 4. When it goes to RHS, it becomes negative. Minus x upon 8. So this is x upon 8. When it goes to RHS, it becomes negative again. So now you can see that all the terms with x I have taken to RHS. Now you can take the LCM. What is the LCM? It is 40, I think. What is the LCM? So here the denominator is 1. So this is 40x minus
Sir, 80.
24x minus 10x minus 5x. Okay. 2 is equal to 40 minus 24 minus 35 and minus 39. So you get x upon 40. Only x is left in the numerator. X upon 40. So take
Sir, the
40.
answer is 80.
Yeah, x is equals to 80 kilometers. So what is the total journey? The total journey is of 80 kilometers.
80.
Have you all understood?
80 kilometer.
Yeah.
Sir, I have first,
80 kilometer.
sir, I have first found the LCM of all the numbers in that are in plus, but I am also getting the same answer. Means, sir, including 2 also, I got the
No,
LCM.
no, no
and then-
problem. You will get the still you will get the same answer. 80. Got it, everyone? So are
Yes,
you all
sir.
ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is the answer.
Everyone done in your copies?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in the same question, be very attentive. I'm about to ask a question from this only. If I ask you, what is the length of journey that he traveled by taxi? What will be your answer? What is the length of journey traveled by taxi?
20 kilometers.
Sir, 20 kilometer.
20.
20 kilometer.
Kilometers.
So if in the question suppose आपसे ये total journey तो पूछते ही हैं, well total journey तो you will have to find x only. But if they ask you something like this also, that the journey traveled by taxi, so what you will do? You can again go back to the question and just see that it is given in the question that the journey traveled by taxi is 1/4 of the total journey. 1/4 of the total journey. That means you multiply 80 by.
So I can like do the questions afterwards, like after I've done, like seen all of them.
Sorry, beta.
So I
What?
said that I can do the questions afterwards.
मतलब afterwards मतलब you are
So matlab the,
you want to just see
Yes,
the
sir.
video and you want to write them in your copies later. Am I right? I have not understood the question. What do you mean? मतलब you want to see the video and you want to write the question in a copy later on. This is what you mean. Angel. 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 Angel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, you can do it if you want. But that will be, I think, a little more time taking. It's better if you do it right now. चलो कोई बात नहीं. That's up to you. You will have to watch the video again, I think, if you require. Otherwise, you can do them on your own.
I have
Also.
all. So I have done like already done all these questions this like in advance. So like
Uh,
I can do it afterwards.
yeah, yeah, yes. And how is Bhaiya? I think I'm reaching the.
And I have completed full maths book.
Oh my God, Karthik Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
I
have
brought.
also in the lockdown. I have
exam-
completed whole book.
Sir, after exams, I brought R.D. Sharma, and sir, after exam, I brought R.D. Sharma. And sir, then I started doing.
Now you have started doing R.D. Sharma also.
Yes, sir.
Now will you be able to do QRTs? You don't know what is QRT.
No, sir.
Ask Bhaiya what is QRT. Ask your Bhaiya.
Okay, sir. Okay,
He'll
sir.
tell you what is QRT. QRT means questions by Rasik Tandon.
Okay, sir.
These questions are specially made by me, which are more difficult than R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal?
Both difficult than R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal both.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till now I have not given you any QRTs. Afterwards, let's
Sir,
see.
when will you give
Uh,
QRDs?
if we finish the syllabus after that.
Okay, sir.
A laborer is engaged. Let's do question number 33. A laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that he will receive rupees 120 for each day he works and will be fined rupees 10 for each day he is absent. So, if he receives rupees 1880 in all, for how many days did he remain absent? Very good. So, what is the meaning of the question? Let's see that एक लेबरर को हमने एंगेज कर लिया मतलब 20 डेज के लिए हायर किया कि उससे कह दिया you have to work for 20 days. अब now if you are working suppose for out of these 20 days you were present for 19 days. You मतलब I'm talking about the labor. मैं लेबरर के लिए बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पर you. So if
He was in for 4 days.
the employee मतलब जिसने हायर किया. Okay, the employee asked the laborer that if you remain present for all the 20 days, you will get rupees 120 for each day. That means total amount that you will receive is 2,400 rupees. आपको समझ में आ गया ये? Per day का अगर 120 rupees मिल रहा है उसको, तो 20 days के कितने मिल जाएंगे? 20 into 120, that will give you 2,400. Okay. तो लेबरर को 2,400 rupees मिल जाते अगर वो पूरे 20 days present रहता. Now उसने एक और कंडीशन रखी थी एम्प्लॉय ने. He asked the laborer that if suppose you remain absent for 1 day, अगर तुम एक दिन मान लो नहीं आए तो क्या होगा? एक भी दिन मान लो नहीं आए तो that means the labor was present for 19 days. 19 days तक वो आया and 1 day he was absent. So he will get 120 rupees each for all the 19 days. और जो एक दिन नहीं आया उसके 120 rupees तो नहीं मिलेंगे. प्लस और क्या होगा 10 रुपीज और उसके कम हो जाएंगे अगर एब्सेंट रहा तो, एक भी दिन एब्सेंट रहा तो पर डे के हिसाब से 10 रुपीज माइनस भी हो जाएंगे, ऐड नहीं होंगे बल्कि उल्टा माइनस हो जाएंगे 10 रुपीज पर डे के हिसाब से अगर वो एब्सेंट रहा तो दैट मीन्स 19 into 120 जो भी उसका 19 डेज का अमाउंट बना और माइनस 10 और हो जाएंगे. So this is how the total income will be calculated for the laborer. I hope आपने ये सिस्टम जो है पैसे देने का वो समझ लिया. Am I right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Amount उसे
Yes,
पैसे
sir.
कैसे मिलेगा ये आपको समझ में आ गया. Yes, sir. Now it is in the question it is given that finally what happened? तो laborer जो है वो उसको after the completion of all the 20 days पूरे 20 days complete होने के बाद the laborer received an amount of 1880 rupees. Total उसको इतना मिला. Okay. अब आपको ये बताना है कि वो कितने दिन तक एब्सेंट रहा. So let us assume that the laborer was present for X days. Out of 20 days, he was present for X days. Let the laborer was.
Sir, your video stops.
But it's a network
And-
issue at your end. Because I am having Airtel Extreme Fiber Broadband Wi-Fi 10G connection.
Sir, my father said he'll take that fiber. That
Yes, sir. I also. Sir, my father also take a fiber.
Fiber,
Sir, Airtel Extreme one.
Airtel Extreme Fiber connection.
sir, I don't know what
Yes, sir.
it is said. Indian fiber maybe.
So
So I don't remember the name.
let the laborer uh, क्या लिखेंगे मतलब क्या we what we would
Present,
we assume
be
that he was
So
present.
let number of days he remain present be
Let
X.
the laborer be present for
laborer date
I read the absent VX.
or
But
date.
my-
X.
so he was present for X days. That means the laborer was absent for. He was absent for how many days?
20 minus X.
Yeah, correct. 20 days में से X
20
days तक present था. That
minus
20 days absent. 20 minus X days he was absent. ऐसे तो निकालोगे. कितने days absent?
Sir, the laborer was absent for 4 days.
That you have found the answer, but let me first
Sir,
explain.
it was easy.
Yes. So he was present for X days. That means he was absent for 20 minus X days. अब X days present था. Let's calculate his total amount. Okay. He was present for X days, and for each day he is getting rupees 120. So X days के उसको कितने मिलेंगे? 120 multiplied by X. Am I right? Because he was present for X days, he is getting 120 rupees every day. So that means for X days he will get 120 multiplied by X. ये तो उसका X days का present रहने का amount हो गया. अब absent भी तो रहा था. जो days absent रहा था उसके पैसे भी तो कट रहे हैं. कितने रुपए कट रहे हैं? 10 rupees per day के हिसाब से कट रहे हैं.
Excuse me, sir.
Minus X days he was absent, and every day rupees 10 are deducted. So for 20 minus X days, how many rupees will be connected? Deducted. How much amount will be deducted? 20 minus X multiplied by 10. This much amount will be deducted. That is why I have written a minus sign here. Because this amount will be deducted. Deduct हो जाएगा यानी कि minus हो जाएगा. So this amount he will get. This amount will be deducted. Why this is deducted? Because these many days he was absent, and for per day his rupees 10 are deducted from the total amount. 20 minus x into 10. This is for 20 minus x days. इतना deduct हो जाएगा. Now this total what he received, this is the amount that he received finally. This is given to you all. What is the total amount he is receiving? 1,880 rupees. He received after the completion of
Sir,
20.
my video has started.
So this is the equation. Have you all understood the equation? Any doubt in the equation?
Sir, I am
No
not
doubt,
able
sir.
to see the equation. Your
Sorry.
video has
You have
stopped.
not understood?
Sir, I am not able to see the equation because your video is stopped and it is coming blank.
Not able to see the video. क्या करें?
No, sir, I am able to see your video clearly.
Sir, this is the equation.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, this equation.
Beta, your voice is not clear. Who's that?
Sir,
Right.
this is a equation. Sir, this is the
This
equation
is
for
the
this
equation.
question.
You have to solve the equation now.
Sir, I have make the equation as 2400 minus 120x minus 10x is equal to 18,000. No, sorry, 1,880.
So I am solving it. You see how 10 into 20 is 200 minus 200. Okay, and minus into minus will make it plus. X into 10 is 10x. Okay, plus 10x because minus into minus is plus. 1880. Minus 200 will take to RHS. 120 plus 10 is 130x. Is equal to so 1880 plus 200. 130x is equal to 20,080 rupees. Am I right? ये आया ऐड करके सही करा मैंने. सॉरी 2080 20,000 कहाँ से आ गया? 2080 rupees. Okay. So x is equal to 2080 upon 130. 0 से 0 काट दीजिए.
Sir, 16 da. So 16.
So x equals to 16. The value of x is 16. That means the laborer was present for 16 days. लेकिन हमें ये नहीं निकालना है कि कितने days तक present था. हमें क्या निकालना है? How many days he was absent?
Sir, 30 minus 16.
20 minus 16.
That 20 minus 16.
Yes, sir, 20 minus 16.
So
4.
Sir, answer is 4.
number of days he was absent.
Sir, I take the absent days as x and I got the answer as 4x.
Problem. That is also correct. That is also correct. Number of days he was present. 20 minus 16. That is 4 days. Okay. 4 days he was absent. Navya beta, you can, if you are not able to see the video properly, if there is some network problem, you can watch the recorded video on YouTube later on. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video.
Okay, sir.
That was just a joke. Don't take it
Yes,
seriously.
sir.
Sir, I have subscribed.
Yes, sir, we do.
Sir, Palak ma'am has 2.2k subscribers on her YouTube channel.
2.2 thousand subscribers on her channel, Palak ma'am.
Yes, sir. And sir, on one video, there are 12k views, sir, 12,000 views.
Why
views.
how she's getting so many subscribers and views? How?
Sir, I don't know.
What type of video is that which has 12,000 views?
Every class.
150 views.
The literature.
Is it that is a video of your class or something else? What type of video is that?
Sir, of our class is just class.
Sir, she explains every chapter.
Sir, it's an explanation of a story.
Okay,
That's
explanation of a story.
Many people are interested.
Oh my god. So
Sir,
I
that
was-
means outside people are also outside people are also subscribing and viewing.
So now I have understood what is the trick behind it. One thing is that I should start teaching English, and the second thing is that I should wear a wig where I have very long hair. So then I will get a lot of subscribers.
He should teach and make videos and then post. Then post.
Okay. She makes videos first and then post them. Nice. That is also nice. All hail.
Sir, she also edits the videos.
Sorry, she also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, she also edits the video. Editing.
Edit what?
Sir, videos that Palak ma'am post.
Achha. Very nice.
Monetization is on, sir. Ads come there. Monetization is on there.
Okay.
Sir, monetize. Sir, after 100 subscriber, monetization automatically on.
1,000, but we need to get 1,000 watch hours also. 1,000 watch hours.
1,000 watch hours and 100 subscribers.
4,000 watch hours. Sir, 4,000 watch hours.
4,000 watch hours.
4,000 watch and 1,000 subscriber.
It's my dream to earn rupees 50 from
Yes,
YouTube.
we have done it.
One
Sir,
day.
30 question again.
One day I will be able to earn rupees 50.
Sir, can you do last part of 33rd question again?
30? Third last part, the number of days he was absent. In the last part, we just found the number of days the laborer was absent. 20 minus x, that means 20 minus 16, which is equal to 4. Okay, बस इतना ही निकाला हमने last. Got it?
And he adds the videos.
Better watch the YouTube video. If something is left, that will increase my views.
I have not watched any video of yours. Attend
You have not
everything.
watched any video. उत्कर्ष को तो मैं
Sir, I have watched.
Because I
उत्कर्ष को मैं क्लास से
Sir, I
निकालने
have
को,
watched.
then he will have to watch the video. मैं अभी यहाँ से
no, sir, no. But sir, my exercise is done already.
चलिए, no problem. That was just a joke. I don't care about YouTube views. मेरे को यहीं से अच्छा खासा पैसा आ रहा. चलिए, let's start with question number 34. Hari Babu left 1/3 of the property to his son. Left 1/3 of his property to his son. 1/4 to his daughter, and the remaining to his wife.
अरे बहुत आसान है सर.
Guys, it is same as question number 32. Same as question.
Plus
Okay. Let
So,
the
sir, you
total
are
property
giving
of Hari Babu be.
it.
Let's do it quickly. Let the total. लगता है हमारा और निकलेगा chapter.
Yes.
Let the total property. I will explain the question. Don't worry. Let the total property be x. Okay. मान लेते हैं total property हरी बाबू की x है. If the total property is x. Now, what he is doing? He left his 1/3 of the property for his son. 1/3 of the property is for the son. 1/4 for his daughter. Partiality कर रहा है. Son को ज़्यादा दे रहा है, daughter को कम दे रहा है. गलत बात है.
Yes, sir.
1/4 of the property for his daughter.
सर इक्वल
Sir-
होना चाहिए.
Sir, 1/3 would be more than 1/4.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1/3 he is giving to the sun. That means sun is getting more.
Yes, sir. Then it is getting more.
Partiality करना है यार.
Sir, that means 33%
Sir, वो
is sun and
partiality-
25.
सर वो पार्शियलिटी कर रहा है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा वैसे एक दिन मुझे ये कार्तिक बता रहा
White
था मुझे
को
सारी
समझना।
प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए. 1/3 of the property to the son, 1/4 of the property to the daughter, and the remaining for his wife. Wife is getting rupees 18,000 rupees. Wife को कितना मिला? 18,000. This is given. Wife is getting 18,000. So the son's share plus the daughter's share plus the wife's share. तीनों लोगों का share अगर हम add करेंगे, we will get the total property. Am I right or not? If we add the share of
Yes,
all the
sir.
three, हरी बाबू का share नहीं बचा. हरी बाबू चले गए दुनिया छोड़ के. Okay. So son's share plus daughter's share plus wife's share. तीनों लोगों का share. If we add, we get the total property, that is x. We know the total property is x. So this is the equation. Is the equation simple or not? Now can you all solve this equation on your own?
Yes,
Done
sir.
the equation. 4,000. Sorry, 43,200 is equal to x.
Excellent.
Sir, sir आप मत करिए सर कर लेंगे खुद.
बॉक्स
3,600 multiplied by 12. What is the answer? What is the total property?
3,200.
4,000. 43,200.
43,200.
43,200.
This is the total property of Hari Babu. इतनी सारी property.
कम है.
तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है. मेरे से पूछो बेटा, हम जैसे गरीबों से. 43,200. जिसकी
सर
salary
इससे तो एक PS5 भी नहीं आएगा.
PS5 हो.
अरे सर कुछ नहीं आएगा इतने कम पैसे से.
सर अभी लॉन्च हुआ है सर, मतलब होने ही वाला शायद. डेट याद नहीं.
19 नवंबर को लॉन्च होगा.
इंडिया में शायद 19 नवंबर और सर और 17 नवंबर के आसपास और बाकी कंट्री में.
One 8,000 into 1 2 minus 216.
Done, everyone?
No,
Yes, sir.
सर अगला क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर 100 ml of alcohol. Sir, in a class, anyone
Please start the last question. So there's very less time is left.
Sir, only sir 2 minutes 37 seconds.
No sir,
Yes.
2 minutes.
Sir, now 2 minutes 27.
Sir, only 2 minutes are left.
Okay. Let's wait for the ones who are still completing the question. Have you all done it?
Well done. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So I'm removing it. If you suppose anyone is left, you can take the screenshot. कार्तिक बेटा भैया कैसे हैं?
सर बढ़िया है।
बढ़िया हैं? लड़ाई वड़ाई कोई होती भैया से?
नहीं सर, मेरी नहीं होती।
कोई नहीं थी। भैया तुम्हारे सीधे बहुत है।
सर ऐसा कहीं नहीं है,
ऐसा नहीं है?
ऐसा नहीं है सर।
नहीं यार भैया तुम्हारे सीधे हैं। देवेश भैया को जानते हो तुम? देवेश भैया?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर देवेश भैया जानता हूँ सर।
Your brother's friend, Devesh
हाँ
भैया.
सर, हाँ
He comes
हाँ
to
सर
your home.
जानता हूँ।
He comes to your home or not? Devesh
नहीं
भैया?
सर अब नहीं आते, अब नहीं आते हैं।
Okay. And now who else in this school has a brother or sister studying in the same school? मतलब in SR, studying in SR only. इसके siblings?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर,
So,
भैया
I know
Sir.
some of you. I know Karthik has his brother. Utkarsh also has his brother in the school.
नहीं सर,
And
नहीं सर मेरे भैया ने छोड़ दिया सर, क्योंकि
sir,
Sir,
I
just-
have little sister. Sir, मेरे भाई ने
Karthik,
Sir,
your
अगर
brother has left the school. Why?
सर बिकॉज अगर दिल्ली से करते सर 11th 12th सर, मतलब भैया का नाम उधर चल रहा है, भैया इधर ही है, तो सर उधर फिर DTU में सर
हाँ.
10% की